Hey guys, what's going on? It's me, it's Original Gamer ogStevieStrow, and I wanted to show you something real quick here because this is pretty cool and this is pretty exciting, but I don't remember, or what should I say, I don't remember. I don't know if you remember, but right after I finished chapter 19 where we went over the circle command and we learned all the different things we could do with creating circles and partial circles, I came up with a little demo which we're looking at right now. So this demo was one where I said, I'm not going to show you exactly what I did or how I did it. I'm just going to show you what the demo looks like. And then I challenged somebody to basically see if they could do their version of it and to send their version of this demo to me. So the person who rose to the challenge and sent me a disc, which I'm going to show you guys right now, is Paul Fiscarelli. And Paul has also been in a lot of our different live chats. I believe he shows up as Fiscarelli in the chat. So he sent me a disc. So we're gonna both look at this together. So I haven't seen the demo yet. I want my reactions to be genuine. I want you to see my reactions and I want you guys to see the demo. So here was my demo, just showing off the various ways to take the circle command and exploit it by making expanding circles, tall ellipses, wide ellipses, and arcs in different directions. So that was my demo, and he sent me, okay, so Paul sent me two different versions of his demo. And so the first one is Circle Demo 1 and Circle Demo 2. He says that Circle Demo 2 he feels goes too fast. And what he also did was, which was based on a suggestion that somebody else left in the comment, was why not take these ellipses and draw them on different pages and then you change the pages to make the animation faster. So when you see the ellipses growing and expanding, they're actually going to be drawn out on multiple pages, and we'll switch between the pages to speed up that animation. So let's run Circle Demo 2, which is the faster one, and then he said he slowed it down in Circle Demo 1. So in Circle Demo 2, look at this. That looks a lot like mine. Expanding circles. Gosh, it looks a lot like mine. Okay, expanding circles. This looks a lot like mine right now. Tall ellipses. Now that is cool. That is very cool. And that did go pretty quickly. Wide ellipses. So there's a delay right now because the multiple images are being drawn on different pages. I like this a lot. Clockwise arcs. Now, is he also doing these on different pages? It's looking like these might be done on different pages. I'm not sure. I haven't looked at his code yet. Counterclockwise arcs. But that little title screen is exactly like mine. Normal spiral, he calls this one. I don't know if I missed that the first time around. Ooh, see that? See, this is something I don't even have now. So he's already one-upped me. That is pretty cool. Normal spiral. I don't even know how that works right now. That is pretty cool. That's like a Nautilus design. Tall spiral. Ooh, an elliptical spiral. And it's also doing the same thing of changing random P modes and random color sets and random choices. That looked like a paperclip there for a second. It looked like Clippy from Microsoft Office. Wow. That is pretty cool. I don't even know if I need to run Circle Demo 1. I don't think that was too fast on the ellipses. You guys kind of saw the ellipses. That's pretty cool. Wide spiral. So now we have a wide arc on the spiral. I want to see what the code is to make those spirals. Ooh. That's really cool. That is a really cool effect. Yes, I gotta see how we're making the spiral. Must know. I think there's one of these examples is in the back of the book where it does show it to you, but it's going to be easier right now for me just to look up his code. Circles demo, and then it just looped. So that was pretty cool. That was pretty cool. Okay, so let's do that. Let's just let's just look at his circle demo 1 where he slows it down a little bit. Circ demo 1. Circles demo. Okay. Expanding circles. There we go. That one's pretty straightforward. Tall ellipses, which are now done on multiple pages, and then in this version he slows down the cycling of the pages so you can soak it all in and absorb the expansion here, which is pretty cool. Pretty cool. I like it. I like it a lot. Wide ellipses. This is again the slowed down version of it. Stretching out, and his did not stretch into infinity and become flat either. And so I want to see what variable he used to do that. Okay, so that was the demo that Paul sent in. So let's list through here and let's see if we can dissect some of this code. Okay, he p cleared 8, t strings equals circles demo, and then he did a very similar thing where he set up a string, he go sub the routine, expanding circles. He go sub the routine to you got a bunch of different go subs in here. So go sub 320, go sub 1340, go sub 390, wide ellipses. So go sub spiral. Okay, counterclockwise arcs. Okay, height width ratio equals 1. HR equals 1, width ratio equals 1. That's a normal spiral. Ooh, okay. So, and that is going to go sub, I got to see where a tall spiral. Oh, so normal spiral, your height ratio and your width ratio. Okay, so I see what he's probably doing here. Height ratio and a width ratio, and maybe he's dividing these to come up with the HW value. But I still haven't seen where the actual spiral. Okay, here's the routine for the actual expanding circles. So here in the expanding circles, we're doing for radius equals 8 to 80, step 8, and then he's doing that based on a foreground color next R. PV equals 800. I'm not sure what's going on there with the PV. I don't know if that's a pause value. Then we're going to pause, go sub 1430. Now here's our tall ellipses. So we have a P mode for H width equals 1 to 3, step 0.3. PCLS background color. Okay, this is where we're doing the ellipses here. And circle screen 1 pause value. I don't know if that's what that means. PV. P mode, next P. Okay, so this is changing screens. Screen 1 kind of SC. Where did we define SC in here? Somewhere else. This must be in a go subroutine. So I don't know what the SC value is here. P mode, comma page. So we have different pages. Okay, so that's, so we're doing this P mode, comma page. We're going to do the height width ratio, and we're going to do a circle, and then we're going to change screens. I don't see where SC is defined here. Okay, then we have wide ellipses. Okay, circle 30 times RM, PG equals 1, so that's our page. For RM equals 1 to 4. Okay, step 0.5, so that is our width radius for our wide ellipse, and we're doing it on different screens. I don't see where SC is being defined here just yet, but I'm sure that's somewhere in the program. Clockwise arcs. Okay, the one I really want to see how he did it too is the spiral. Okay, oh, so he's got pi in here. Okay, so we got the value of pi, which technically goes on forever. We've got our center, circle X, or circle Y coordinates. Then we've got our PX and our PY. We've got a multiplier of 0.02. We've got a loop for LP equals 0 to pi times 2 times 5 step ST, which is 0.02. And then we have a radius value equals the loop times 3. And then we have, oh my goodness, this is blowing my mind. Oh, and we're actually doing lines and not circles. So that's technically cheating because this is a demo to use the circle command, and then we have sine and cosine, which I don't even understand. I never understood those then. I don't quite understand them now. But basically, we're doing some crazy math to come up with the circular values. And he's doing lines to do it. It's not actually the circle command. So I want to digest that a little further. Okay, here's the routine to set the P mode, which I guess he go subs here. Okay, so the SC equals random2 minus 1. That's how you get to your different screen modes. Okay, P mode PM comma 1, and then rem clear screen, rem title page, rem pause routine for P equals 1 to PV. So for his pause, he actually when he go subs that, he can specify variable length of pause, where I think mine was kind of fixed. So he passes off a pause value, go subs that routine to pause. Here's the sound routine for SO equals 50 to 75 step 5, sound SO comma 3 next SO. Very cool. So this is very cool code. Let's just run through this one more time because this is really impressive. We got the circles demo. We've got our expanding circles. Okay, straightforward, right? Increase the radius. Now our tall ellipses. And this one's more impressive because it's being drawn on multiple pages, and then we're cycling through pages to have smoother animation. And he actually slowed this down because he felt it was too fast. And this is very nice, very nice. Wide ellipses. Very nice, very nice. Wide ellipses. I love it. It's awesome. Absolutely. It's a work of art, right? Here's our clockwise arcs. But yeah, so basically he totally nailed the program. Not only did he totally nail it, but he expanded it and added the nice little spirals, which is still a little bit difficult for me to grasp, but easy for me to appreciate. So here's our arcs. Here's our clockwise arcs. This is actually counterclockwise arcs now. Wicked cool. Wicked cool. Normal spiral. This is the most impressive part here. This one I sort of understand, but not completely. But it's not actually being done with the circle command. It is being done with line commands, and we are using the value of pi, and then we're using sine and cosine, and we're multiplying things, and it's a pretty complex formula, and I like it. I believe this is in the book. I believe it's in the extended manual book where it does give you an example and show you how to do this, so I will look up that example too. I'm not sure if the example is going to explain it any better because I don't fully grasp the math behind this, but I like it a lot. All right, so thank you so much, Paul, for sending this in, and I hope everybody enjoyed seeing it. Take care. We got more programming to do, but in the meantime, definitely wanted to share this.